Chloe.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Chloe.
Hey, Mommy.
Welcome to another episode of
Cookin and Chloe.
Chloe, you are getting so big.
Hey, Daddy, you're getting so big.
Ouch. And Mommy, you're getting so big.
Daddy. Okay.
Ouch.
Ouch.
Chloe, what are we making today?
I don't know, Swiss roll cake.
Yeah, today we're going to make some Swiss roll cakes. And we're making two. And what color is going to be inside?
And one is pink, is gonna be a little girl, and one is blue, that's gonna be a little boy.
And so, what do you want? Would you like a baby brother or baby sister?
I want a baby sister.
A baby sister. Well, we'll see. Who's going to help you with today's episode? Who? Mr. Mark. Mr. Mark's going to help you. And why is he helping you?
Because he knows how to do that.
Yeah, he knows a lot of desserts. And Daddy doesn't know that. Well, you ready to get started?
He knows nothing. You know. This recipe has a lot of steps. We got to use the mixer. Daddy, you forgot to plug it in. We use raspberries for the pink filling and blueberries for the blue filling. There was spilling and pouring. More mixing and some tasting. And more mixing.
Oh no, that looks pretty pink to me. What do you think? Do you want to try it and see if it tastes pink?
Yeah.
Tell me if that tastes pink.
It does.
It does? Doesn't taste blue?
Delicious.
Hey, Chloe, what are little boys made of?
Snips and smells and puppy dog tails. That's what little boys are made of.
What are little girls made of?
Sugar and spice and everything nice. That's what little girls are made of.
So what are you made of?
Sugar and spice and everything nice. That's what little girls are made of.
You're sugar and spice.
And everything nice.
You're sugar and spice and everything nice?
Yeah.
Okay.
There was sifting
Right there. So
and
you want
folding.
like that. So you turn it over like that. Okay. Now we're going to add some more.
Mr. Mark is a good teacher. Pour it in the pan. Now it's time to bake. Roll up the cake. I love chocolate. That's so good.
So which cake do you think you want to cut? Which one you want to cut first?
This one.
You do? How come?
This one.
You want to cut that one?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you think, Dad?
Well, I think that one's the one to cut.
You think that's the one to cut?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you cut it, let me move this one out of the way, okay?
Okay.
And you want to cut it maybe at an angle this way. so that it looks nice that way. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll give you the knife, and you just kind of saw nice and easy.
Like that.
Yeah, that'll work too. And put the colors inside. Can you tell?
It's a blue one.
What's that mean?
It's a boy. That's okay.
That's okay.
Time to enjoy this cake. I wanted this sister. I guess her brother is okay. Let us know what you think we should name him. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.